Hello, lovely souls. There's no room for regret in life. Why didn't I do that? I should have done that. It's okay. Why have you done? Whatever you have done according to your wisdom. Live as you have lived well, as you have done right according to your intellect. Don't bring yourself down. In literature, it's said, lift yourself by yourself. Don't lower yourself. It means lift yourself up, love yourself, understand yourself. You should know when you can do something. Build confidence in yourself. You can do this. You can do everything. Blessings. Happy soul.